Hello, welcome. Let's join me as we provide answer to the question 3 of WASI, the January-February edition 2025. A cylindrical iron block of diameter 31.5 centimeters and a height of 18 centimeters was completely melted. Then 82% of the melted metal was used to mold a sphere. We have to calculate correct to the nearest whole number the radius of the sphere. So if we pick a cylinder, right? If it is melted, just like candle, melted and used to form a different object, which is a sphere, it means the volume of material will be equal to the volume of material here. So if I know the volume of the cylinder, it means that I also know the volume of what? The sphere, which is going to be 82% of that. Not all has been used. So let's see what the volume of the cylinder will be. Remember, a cylinder is in this shape where this is radius and this is going to be the height, which we have been given as 18 centimeters. We need to know what the radius is. Diameter is given to us as 31.5 centimeters. Therefore, the radius, which is the R, will now be diameter over 2. So 31.5 centimeter divided by 2. And if you calculate that on our calculator, we can see 31.5 divided by 2 should be 15.75 centimeters. So this is the radius. But what is the volume? We know that volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. So the h is known, the r is known. So we just do substitution. 22 on 7, which has been given as the value of pi, times 15.75 all square times what? 18. We can put all these values in our calculator. You should be having the volume to be 14033.25 volume, so centimeter cube. Then we need to know that the volume of the sphere is actually 82% of volume of a cylinder, right? 82%, which means 82 over 100 times the volume of the cylinder, and that will be 82 over 100 times 1403325 centimeter cube. So when multiply that by 0. I think that will be times 0.82, and that will give us 11,507.265, I guess, right? Still that. So this is the volume of the sphere. Now, what is the formula for the volume of a sphere? That formula is also equal to this very calculation we are having here. So we can say that volume of sphere is given by 4 on 3 pi r what? Cube. That's the volume. How to find the volume. If you want to know how the formula is derived, you can check the playlist of menstruation 2. Then you can be able to tell how the formula is derived. So here what do? We just do mere substitution, knowing that the volume of the sphere has been given as 11,507.265 equals to 4 on 3, 22 on 7 times radius, which we are now going to find. This is the sphere, right? This radius is what you're looking for. This particular one, not the radius we have here. So maybe in this case, we can use a different R to indicate that. Let me use capital R so that we can give a difference between the radius we are referring to under the cylinder and that of the sphere. Now, what do we need here? We need to multiply 4 by 22 by the R to the power 3, then 3 times 7, which will cross multiply this, then we can see what will happen. Right here, we know that this is multiplying this. So, as you have my 21 multiplying 11507.6, this will be 265 equals to 4 times 22 will be 88 times R to the power 3. But attention is on the R, so we maintain the R to the power 3 equals to, we should be having 24,1652.565 divided by 88. So we need the R. So we still have to find the value of that. If we divide that by 88, let's see what the result will be. That will be giving you 2746.05. Let me just write all of them. Then we find the cube root of both sides, meaning the R will now be equals to the cube root of 2746051.875. You can do that also here. Find the cube root right from here. You will also get the same answer. So the cube root of this will be 14.00. Let me just say 349. But the question asks us to leave it in what? The nearest whole number. So therefore, the radius of the sphere is going to be 14 centimeter. We need a whole number out there. All right, the concept that makes this application is knowing that if the material used in making the cylinder is melted to form a new object, which is in this case the sphere, they have equal volume. That is what the application aspect of it. But the real calculation is just knowing the volume of a cylinder formula and the volume of a sphere formula. Putting the two together, you should be able to find solution to this question. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.